Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim TABOR refund on TaxAct. At first open any browser, search for TaxAct. Next log into your TaxAct account. From the home page scroll down to Help and Support section. Select Contact Us from there. This will take you to the customer service page. From here select Phone Support to talk to a representative. Tell the representative that you want help claiming the Colorado TABOR refund on your state return. The agent will walk through the Colorado state section or help you amend your Colorado return if you already filed. Follow the instructions they give you while you are logged into your TaxAct account. So, that's how you can claim TABOR refund on TaxAct. Thank you for watching.